Salam friends, how to cook curry rice in a rice cooker. Welcome back. This recipe was under 20 minutes. Yes, it was easy and simple. I'm going to show you how to achieve a fluffiest rice. So I started by adding some oil in my rice cooker, added some onion, then you fry until it's translucent. Then I went ahead to add some green seasoning to it. This rice is purposely for a fried rice, so yeah, I'm gonna link the green sauce down below if you want to check it out. And after adding the green sauce, I went ahead to add some curry powder. You can adjust it into how much you want it to be, like if you want it to be more yellowy or not. Cover it to fry for a little bit, then we continue with the process. Over here, I just added some basmati rice in the rice cooker. You fry it just as you are frying on the stove. Yeah, you fry everything until the rice becomes toasty. Then over here, I went ahead to add my Italian seasoning. This rice was so tasty and smelled so good. Yeah, I used 2 cups of rice for this recipe, and because my rice cooker was the small one, you adjust it according to how many cups of rice. And yeah, you continue frying it until the rice is very toasty. Yeah, I went ahead to add some bay leaf to it as well. I hope each and everyone is doing wonderfully well. The toastiness of the rice, it's gonna help you achieve the fluffiest and soft rice, and it's gonna turn out very beautifully after making fried rice with it. So after the rice has been frying for like 5 to 10 minutes, it was very toasty, and I went ahead to add some warm water into it. With the water, you have to put the water that will be enough to cover the rice. That is when you know the exact amount of water to cover, and just cover it out and cook it. Over here, I came back to check up on it, and as you can see, it was single grain and smells so good. Oh my god. You don't have to add any water at this point. You just have to let it simmer and do it on thing with the heat. And with the warm water, it really helps to make the cooking process fast. Thank you so much if you've been watching me till now. Please subscribe to your girl and share it to your loved ones. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you all. See you in my next one for the fried rice.